Hey guys, Greg Luther here, and I got a package from one of our real estate agents. I wanted to show you a little bit of an unboxing so you can see what homeowners get, what sellers are getting so that they list with him. Now, this is one of my private clients that works with me one-on-one, and he's in Central Florida and works with a lot of luxury level homeowners, luxury listings, specifically to those that have expired. So talking to those that have expired, many times they're $100,000, $200,000 overpriced, and he's able to get them at the right price and sell them in a couple of weeks. So this is the package. I just started to open it here, but I wanted you to see along the way what we've designed and how this is all set up. So you can see this is a phenomenal box here. It's got his QR code and his website on it. There's a nice foil seal with all of his information as well. So I'm going to open this up and I'm going to show you what homeowners would see when they get this as well. So this is the package itself. They can have their address and everything on here if need be, but it really positions him as a luxury agent. So you can see inside the box right here, another QR code. It says, scan your QR code with your phone to watch a short video I made for you. You can do a custom video on there. There's a stress ball because, of course, it's very stressful selling your home. So it's just a little thing you put in there. It gives them something to mess with. There's a handwritten or hand-addressed letter to whoever the homeowner is. In this case, it's to me. So we're going to open that up. Show you a little bit about what this looks like because you can duplicate this in your own business as well. So he has a custom letter that is signed in blue ink, all customized to talk about them selling their own home. But here's the cool part. When you get this, and it's just a little tight in there, the folder, maybe I can get this out. When you get the folder, you can see kind of the nice silky feel here. And inside, look at this. Let me straighten it out here. Got messed up in shipping. You can see a little bit about what he does and how he's going to be different than everybody else that's out there. This is all customized stuff we have. All of our Inner Circle coaching members have access to this, as well as the templates here. And there's just tons of great information that makes you stand out above all other competitors. So lots of good info this way that is really going to show them, hey, here's why your home didn't sell and why you need a better agent to sell it. So lots of good stuff there. This is black and it's in a black folder. So I would actually have this one on top so they can see there's more in there. And in reality, for pulling it out of there, I would even slide it in like this, as you can see. So that way it's just easier to pull everything out. But this is a really cool piece, why they choose us. Real clients, real results, real authority. And it talks about being a luxury real estate agent, what he can do for you. There's lots of testimonials and things like that, stuff about the local area. So it's a really good piece to set him apart above the others. So great information package here. And again, if you're looking to sell luxury real estate, you have to show up better than everybody else that's out there. We provide these templates for everybody. They can send these for very, very low cost. And ultimately, getting luxury listings in your area, you can imagine what kind of revenue it makes for you. So congrats to Didnt for doing a great job. He sent me a sample here, and I really like it, just packaging a little differently so that it's easier to open. I think it's going to be phenomenal for getting better and better. He's already getting lots of listings from this. And I said, let's see if we can do anything to get you even better results. That's what we're starting to do here. So I'm going to dig in, see if we can change any of the wording or the verbiage here and closing lots of deals. Hopefully you're making money out there. The luxury homeowners are least affected by economic changes. Frankly, they don't care about mortgage rates. Most of them aren't using mortgages. This is a way for you to grow your business. If you are a Greg Luther Inner Circle member, you can get details on the member site and just download all this. It's all included. Make sure you're following the page here. Turn on notifications. I got a lot more videos coming for you soon. Thanks for watching. Hey, it's Greg Luther. And listen, if you don't follow this channel, there's a good chance you're never going to see me again. I consistently put out regular content, and it's extremely helpful for real estate agents to grow their business. I want to keep you up to date on what's working so that you're in the know and you can take action accordingly. So be sure that you like and comment here, but most importantly, make sure you follow, share, and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on anything. I'm here to help you in growing your business, and I'd love to do so. Follow right now.